In this video, I'm going to review Amphora Exotica. That is a natural niche perfumery brand, and it is run by a perfumer called Sundar Rehan. Thanks Sundar Rehan brother for sending me these samples. So I'm going to review these. In this video, I'm going to review one, and the next one I would be reviewing the next one. So the website is amphoraexotica.com, and you can check that out, and I'm going to explore the samples now. So let's start. So first we are going to explore Lavender Mirage LM1. So I had to check it on his website. What is the name of the sample? So this is Lavender Mirage. I really love lavender flavor. If it is mixed with musk, it really creates very lovely aroma. So let's find out how this Lavender Mirage actually performs. So very nice sample bottle. I really love the presentation. It's very, very lovely, light animalic, light citrus, light floral and musky start. I really love it. Lavender is there. Ooh, this is kind of like aromatic, balsamic in the start. Very, very lovely perfume. It has lavender, it has balsamic effect, it is uplifting. It is kind of like calming effect. It has calming effect on your body and soul, I think. I think it has civet or something that is playing very well animalic kind of note over here. It is kind of have some dark or deep sense to it. It has animalic, damp animalic kind of touch to it. I think musk and oud is there. Now let me explain it. It has some kind of mystery behind it. It is mysterious kind of dark, damp, animalic, light floral, calming, very lovely, very safe scent. I would recommend it for men. I think on skin of men, mature men, it is very, very lovely. It is, if I represent it, it is kind of like mysterious, calm, male person or a man that is, has a very calming and, sophisticated kind of personality, okay? Light woodiness is there, which is very, very lovely. I'm not sure it is guaiac wood or something, oak moss or something like that, but it has a very, very lovely dry woody kind of, light dry woody kind of note. Musk is there. Very, very well done. So this is not into your head kind of floral. It is a very relaxed, calming kind of lavender, musky, woody, animalic kind of perfume, and I really enjoyed using it. So now I'm going to rate it. I'm going to rate it 8 out of 10 for scent profile. Very, very good, very, very good scent profile, safe scent. It is not in your head. It is a very calming kind of scent that relaxes you. Now about the power, I think its power would be normal. It would stay on the skin for a longer time. It might get light, powdery, maybe. I'm not sure. Yes, maybe on the skin in the later stages, it might be light, powdery, woody kind of scent that is going to stay on your skin. And so for that, I'm going to give it 7 out of 10 for the power. I think it is not going to, be very powerful. Most natural perfumes, they are not powerful. With time they might get more powerful. So if you keep it like 1 year, after 1 year it is going to be much more powerful. So this is my review about Amphora Exotica Lavender Mirage, and I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys check out his website, contact this person Sundar Rehan. Very, very spiritual kind of person. I have read some of the details about him. Thanks Sundar for sending me these beauties. I will keep reviewing and exploring more scents. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.